Hi Vinas, this is Dr. Srikanth back again. So finally, we are at the end phase of the preparation. Okay, of course, it is the most important phase, which is going to decide your rank and your success rate. Okay, so without wasting any time, so let's go in detail into this test series, what we have planned for you. Okay, so this is a beta test series which includes lots of things has to be done in the last 2 months, and I hope most of us are ready. So this is a phase where you need to take n number of mock exams, where you need to focus on the important areas where the paper setters are frequently asking. You need to plan your rapid revision, fast revision, quick revision notes, whatnot. Everything has to be done at a good pace, and of course with maintaining great accuracy, and that's indirectly is going to reflect your success rate in the final exam. So this test series is basically for the people who are targeting very specifically for Army Corps. Okay, so these 60 days are very important for the people who has planned Army Corps after finishing their masters, or people exclusively preparing for Army Corps, because this includes the test series followed by you have lectures upon how to handle the interview. Okay, so most of you are familiar that Army Corps occurs in two steps. One is step 1 and second one is step 2. Okay, right? Step 1 is basically the NEET exam and step 2 is the interview. Okay, so this includes both. Okay, it includes step 1 preparation, hard or preparation for 60 days, and step 2 that includes your interview. Okay, so how to handle the interview, classes on how to handle the interview by experienced people who are already handling this from past few years. And the second one, people who want to make their rank better. Okay, so if you want to make your score better or increase your chances of being selected or increasing the chances of being qualified, so you have different thoughts in your mind when you're preparing for the last 60 days or the last few days. So all such qualities will be included in this particular test series. And of course, what not, like when you have your blank brain filled with lots of dreams and everything, so you need to plan, organize well, and you need to pick something which really fits for you in this limited time. And this particular test series, which includes rapid revision videos, a series of rapid revision videos where the very important aspects as well as the concepts will be covered. You have quick revision notes, you'll have last minute revision notes, you have mock exams, 15 mock exams in the same pattern of NEET with all the lengthy questions. You will have daily discussions over the concepts which are frequently being repeated in the exam. You have recent papers access, and you have access to the recent concepts. And upon which, like you see, the question papers are being more drifted to integrated pattern. So integrated is more often like a case-based questions. For example, you list out subjects like general medicine, general pathology, general surgery, oral medicine, oral pathology, and few of the clinical subjects, clinical dental subjects, that is your final year clinical dental subjects, that includes cons, that includes endo, that includes ortho, that includes pedo, that includes perio, and your oral surgery. Okay, so most of the clinical questions, they are converting into a case based lengthy question. So you have n number of case based discussion videos, and you will have n number of case discussion activities that regularly occurs on the group, and of course mock exams following the same pattern of NEET, including the recent question papers of NEET, both medical as well as dental exposure. So all these are high scoring areas that you need to focus on the last few days. So that's what the plan. Like you should be drifted more to the clinicals when compared to the non-clinicals. You should be more drifted to the case-based part. Okay, in the last few days. So what to be done, what not to be done will be discussed, and every subject and every day you will be provided with a checklist upon which you need to work on with the strategy that is decided by the mentor. And of course, it's all moving towards a better score, a better rank, and a better seat and a better college in the upcoming NEET examination. So this is all about the beta series, which is a crash course that's going to start in the last 60 days. Probably we're going to start this in the first weekend of January first week. So you can finish your new year, okay, then you can start your preparation. Great. Okay, so these are the two numbers where if you have any further details, you can drop a text for these two numbers on the WhatsApp. We'll get back to you and we'll help you. Okay, so this is all about the beta series. Signing off, Dr. Srikanth from team MDS Conquer.